Hey everybody, how's it going? Yeah, I just want to make a little video. This is my little test bench that I put together. I've had it a while. I just had it out there in the storage. Wasn't using it. But yeah, I had a major fail yesterday. This graphic card that I bought, the GeForce 6200, it's a PCI card. Um, yeah, it didn't work inside the Dell Optiplex G1. I said it has to go into this board. So I have the GeForce 4 MX4000. That's that one, and that's my audio card, and then a USB 2.0 card, a Wi-Fi card. So put it here. So that's the back of it. Ports. So yeah, this is a Pentium 3. So that's this one right here. Dell Optiplex G1. So yeah, the graphic card didn't work in there. I didn't even get a menu. Like, the screen just stayed black. And I tried all the PCI ports. So I moved it over and tried it, and yep, still got nothing. So I guess maybe this card is not compatible with either that computer or Windows 98. If anybody has got this to work with Windows 98. The driver disk says Windows Vista and Windows XP. So yeah, that's what I went ahead and did. I just put out my little test bench here that I had made. And I had a motherboard. This motherboard does not have any AGP or PCIe. It's only PCI. It has a Pentium 4 in there. Yeah, I just had that motherboard up there on my wall, in that spot right there at the end. And yeah, I've never, since I got it, I never tried it. So I just went ahead and put it together, and yeah, we got it on Windows XP here. We're installing Unreal Tournament right now. I just want to benchmark this card and see what, how it is. But yeah, a little bit of my test bench here. I just took a button out of an old computer, and this is plexiglass. Oh yeah, and every time. So yeah, I just a computer case on the bottom, and then I used another half of a top. This part's riveted. I riveted these two together, but this side I just tie strapped it. So yeah, it's a little janky, but let me see if I can turn it around here for you. Let me put this on the tripod, and I will spin this for you here so you can take a look at the back of it. So yeah, I have everything on here, hard drive, a DVD tray. So we'll look at the back of it. So we have our hard drive sitting right there. Got our disk drive. So yeah, that's our little one second. Try to flip this around. Yeah, well, if anybody can give me some pointers, or let me know if that GeForce, this one right here, I should do a little bit more research. It's a 256 megabyte DDR2 PCI 6200. Got it for 40 bucks on eBay, brand new. Yeah, my plans were putting it in the Dell Optiplex G1 so I can upgrade it a little bit more, but yeah, it didn't work out yesterday, so I just do it in this board over here. But, well, thank you for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.